Hey, how you doing? If your Peloton's making this crazy noise while your wife's riding the bike and driving you insane because you're trying to lay on the couch with your hands down your pants watching football, then you need to stay tuned because we're going to fix this noise. Welcome to another episode of Projects with Chaz. How the freak am I going to do that? You heard the crazy noise of the Peloton when my wife was pedaling it, so it would probably drive the average person insane. I'm going to troubleshoot this and figure it out. I have the tools that the Peloton came with, a bunch of Allen wrenches, a couple crazy other wrenches. But I also went and found two of these like Allen head wrenches because I'm going to take the cap out of the cranks and I'm going to shoot some WD-40 in it in case the bearings are dry, or who knows. I'm going to try to tighten everything I can find on here and put some lubricant in there. But just to let you know what these sockets are, one is a H8 and this one's a 5/16, and they both fit. So in case you don't have one, you go buy one. That's what fits into here. They both fit. I'm going to flip this over onto this massive bean bag that I have here, and let's get at it. Alright, I'm going to tip this over onto this big fat bean bag. It's the ultimate item to have when you want to be a lazy fat bastard. And I have a lot of experience in that department. This is the H8. So remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty, so we want to loosen it. Urgh. A little tough to get started, but I'm going to take this cap out. I don't even know what's in here, but I'm assuming just like a bicycle I can get to the bearings. Yeah. I'm going to take some WD-40. I'm going to put a towel underneath. I'm just going to load this up and then reverse the process. Put the cap in. Cap back on. We've got a lot of dog hair and craziness going on here, so who knows, maybe it needs to be greased. I don't even know if that's where the squeak is. But you've got all sorts of places around here you can tighten up. There's a million screws on the bottom, and I'll show you those in a second. Okay, with the bike flipped over, you can see that there's a few spots under here where there are little screws, Allen head screws that fit the wrenches that come with your Peloton. Now you have these up here. We just took that out and shot some WD-40 into it. And don't forget the ones up front. I'm going to go through and tighten all these because you don't want to watch me do it, but I want to show you where they're at. So there's 4 here along with some dog hair. What else am I tightening? Got one here. I'd go ahead and tighten these up. You got one there. Who knows that? Just go through your entire bike and tighten every single little, I don't think I have an Allen wrench for these, but that's not going to make any noise. Yeah, just focus on tightening the ones on the bottom here, both on the front and on the back. Maybe tighten these. And there's a variety of Allen wrench screws you can tighten up. Along with doing this on both sides, have a towel, shoot the WD-40 in. And that's about it. I'm going to flip it up and see what happens. Okay, I tightened up just about everything possible that you could tighten up on here, so let's flip her up. Don't pull a muscle. Or don't let it fly through the front window. Now I know you're thinking yourself, Chaz, why do you need to work out on a Peloton? Well, I'm trying to preserve this dad bod, keep it in stout form. I'm gonna get on here and let's see if it squeaks. If I can get on without killing myself. Alright, I'm snapped in. I'm pedaling. And I don't hear anything. I'm standing up and pedaling. Alright, I think something that was loose, or maybe the WD-40 worked, but either way, I got rid of the squeak. So I'm going to celebrate by cracking this beer while I exercise. If this helped you out, please subscribe, like, comment. Good luck fixing your Peloton, and I'll see you next time.